In this video I will discuss about YouTubeBuddy key functions. The free extensions of TubeBuddy has multiple functions that you can use to manage for your contents. To register with TubeBuddy, you will need to install the extension directly from their website. You see here the menus. Keyword Explorer, the ultimate keyword research tool for YouTube, uncovers what people are searching for on YouTube. Rank higher in search results, get relevant videos, topic ideas, and ultimately drive more views to your videos. The TubeBuddy navigator will appear on the top right hand side of your Tube page as black drop down menus. To ensure it is fully integrated with YouTube channels, you need to register on the YouTubeBuddy website and add your YouTube channel to the online portal. You will then need to sign into your YouTube channels from YouTube to get the above drop down menus to appear. The TubeBuddy drop down allows you to navigate across TubeBuddy to your dashboard, videos, playlist, comments, and real-time analytics easily and quickly. It is also optimizes your exciting YouTube capabilities in the ways listed below. Save time with video upload and playlist. TubeBuddy allows you to upload multiple videos at once with integrated templates for tags and titles, and to save timing when publishing. You can create templates card to quickly upload videos in one go, particularly useful for uploading series, and add videos to a playlist quickly during upload to encourage your subscribers to watch multiple videos. You can simply click add card template to apply your templates to multiple videos upload. You can also update your text and description individually or in bulk of exciting videos using the video links and TubeBuddy menus. Engage with your audience comment management. TubeBuddy enhances the exciting YouTube comments function as it allows you to filter comments into higher numbers of categories, include comments you haven't response to, comments from new subscribers, comments from your patrons, comment that net flow up. It allows you to manage interaction with your subscriber comprehensively, so you are prioritize and engaging with the members of the audience you need. You can also create canned response to save time with responding to messages. Generate SEO friendly ideas with Keyword Explorer. Perhaps the best functions of TubeBuddy is allowing you to quickly see what is trending on YouTube with the Keyword Explorer functions. Say if you were looking to get your first 100 YouTube subscribers with valuable content, if you to generate 10 hitting content tags, type keyword into Explorer search bar, and this will also suggest other popular keywords as you type them in, like TubeBuddy review or TubeBuddy for YouTube. Once you have typed in your keywords, or list of analytics will appear for the keyword and search you will just complete it. As you can see here, you do have to upgrade to a pro license to see more than 3 frequent video search or video tags. It is however beneficial for accessing how SEO friendly your keywords are. Here for instance, TubeBuddy is too large as search terms, so we can narrow down our success in search ranking by changing the titles to something closer to how to use TubeBuddy. Let's analyze how successful this title is, how to use TubeBuddy for YouTube 2020. As you can see, this is far more successful as an overall keyword score. This tool is particularly useful if you are new to TubeBuddy and not quite sure how to begin growing your subscriber base. Analyze the competition with the Videolytics and Channelytics. With Keyword Explorer, you can also browse the results on YouTube to see what sort of video appears. Click on the result tab next to the summary plan, if just below the keyword search bar. If you click on the top video, you can also receive the statistics for the specific videos. which is an excellent way to track your YouTube competitor success. If you click through their videos on the right hand side, you will see the Videolytic for the videos matrix, and you can also click through the view their Channelytics, which gives you the stats for their channel specifically. If you are trying to meaning and to success of a competitor, you can see which tag they are frequently using and even copy them to save for use later. Keyword Explorer is by far the most useful tools for generating SEO friendly content ideas for your YouTube videos. Is TubeBuddy worth it? TubeBuddy is a free extension is worth its many users feel that it is save their time and help them generate successful content without the need to upgrade to Pro. It might be slightly frustrating to have limited Keyword Explorer viewing option, only 3 items appear at a time outside of Pro. Still give it is entirely free, it's worth installing. TubeBuddy is also easy to cancel from the TubeBuddy websites when you log in. Thank you so much.